Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel once again, and thanks very much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make money with your WhatsApp app. With your WhatsApp business or your normal WhatsApp, how to make money with these two apps, this one and this one. So if you don't have some, then you can also download some from your app store or your Google Play Store. So before we start, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't also forget to also like our video, comment down below if you have any question. So let's start. Have you ever thought, or have you ever used your WhatsApp for any business? I know a lot of you know that you can use your WhatsApp for business, but a lot of you also do not know. So I decided to make this video to teach you guys how to make money with your WhatsApp app. There are a lot of ways to make money with your WhatsApp app, so I'm going to teach you some few tips about it. So this is what I know that can make you money on WhatsApp. So let's use our WhatsApp business. You can also use your WhatsApp, your WhatsApp Messenger app, but I prefer using the WhatsApp business because it's business time. So guys, when you log into your WhatsApp, what you can do is there are a lot of ways to make money with your WhatsApp platform. First is you can use your status to make money. Do you get me? You see, as you can see over here, there are a lot of people who has posted status, and some of them are getting a lot of views. Do you get me? So you can use your WhatsApp business as a business on your mobile phone. So you can download your WhatsApp messaging app for maybe messaging your friends, and you use your WhatsApp business app to promote ads on your mobile phone or with your WhatsApp account through your WhatsApp status. Do you get me? So it's very good to make money with your phone. And if you're having any businesses, you can use this as a side hustle or a side business. Do you get me? So that's how it is. So what you have to do is to first you have to search for a lot of contacts. Do you get me? You have to get a lot of contacts before you can start this business. So let me show you the number of contacts that I have on my phone. So let me go here. So let me go to this section. So it's loading. So guys, as you can see over here, I have 4,708 WhatsApp contacts, and I have some too that I've not saved. It's a PDF that I've not saved. Do you get me? I have files that I have not saved. So if you need WhatsApp numbers, just contact me. They are all friends. We are all friends that we we do this business. But at first I used to do this business, but I've stopped. Yes. So as you can see, I have a lot of WhatsApp contact on my phone, and this is an Android phone. So as you can see over here, there are a lot of messages that I've been getting. So as you can see, the chat are the messages that I've got is what 272. So that's it. So first of all, if you want to make money with your WhatsApp status, you have to get, first of all, number one, you have to get a lot of WhatsApp contact. Do you get me? So I'll be doing a video and I will teach you guys how to get a lot of WhatsApp contacts for free. Do you get me? And also I'll try and create a group and post people in it to help ourselves to get contacts. Do you get me? So when you get the contact, what you have to do is to post status. So when you post the status like this, so maybe you can contact people. So you can contact people to for us. Do you get me? So you can contact your friends for us, and some of them might be interested, and a lot of them, because they are people who want to promote their contact, or there are people who needs a lot of WhatsApp contact. So the more you are linking them to people, the more you are getting more customers. So this business is a very nice business that I recommend to you. Just what you need is a mobile phone, data bundle, and also at least 1k contact is cool. Do you get me? 1k contact is cool. And I have friends that have more than 10,000 contacts. But when you're a starter or a beginner, what you have to do is to just look for 1K contact, and it's easy to get that, and I'll help you to get that in my next video. So when you get it, just share links to your friends that you promote us. So when you are selling maybe bags, shoes, PC, phones, anything that you sell, you can bring it to me and pay maybe $1 or 10 cedis or 10 naira or any amount of money that you want to charge. You have to charge cheap amount of money so that you get a lot of customers to come in for us. Then you post what the goes over here. Do you get me? So let's say this is what I want to advertise, maybe a mobile phone. So you just post it, then you write something in the caption over here that this for buy, or I'm around if you want to buy this device, it's owned by so and so person, so contact, then you put the person contact over there. Or you can also do other promotion. Maybe someone has, or the person has a YouTube channel and you want to promote the person's video, you can use that. You get me? You can also, the person wants subscribers, and the person can just contact you, and you just share it on your WhatsApp platform for the person to get more views and also subscribers. Do you get me? So this is how to make money with your WhatsApp status. If you have any question, just contact me and I'm going to help you out. Okay, so this is it. Thanks very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. With this channel I teach you guys how to make money, and also tech tips and other things. Thanks very much for watching this video to the end, and I hope you didn't skip this video, because if you skip this video you are going to lose some important message or notice. Yeah, so this is what I have for you. So thanks very much for watching this video. We are going to meet in our next video, and I will also be teaching you guys how to get free WhatsApp contact. If you are interested in it, just let me know in my comment section. Bye bye.